taking a helicopter ride on beautiful Ganga River, and it's an amazing sight. Yogi ji, you have done the most marvelous work. Amazing, most amazing. This is Sangam, Ganga and Jamuna, most amazing sight. We are above the bath, we are millions of people taking bath. This is entire kumbh mela land. On such a large scale, I doubt any country can hold any event. Very much safe, hygiene, cleanness, beautiful water, amazing. Yogi ji, you have done the amazing work. What a teamwork of Yogi ji and Modi ji. This entire thing is kumbh. Entire thing. I am here from last 3 days. I have seen only maybe 20% of kumbh. Even the helicopter is not covering the entire kumbh. Amazing. Amazing. So many bridges are constructed, so many bridges for the people all over kumbh. Hundreds of bridges, millions of people. And till day, today is 9th of February 2019. Not even single incident is reported. You can see merging of two rivers, Jamuna and Ganga. Clearly the water is different.